Hey guys, back at it again, John again. And you know, earlier today I saw the package I had ordered, the MeatSoHorny, and now I'm gonna have Megan try out some of this stuff because you know I bought it. What's your first one?
Okay, so I think I'm gonna do like garlic because I love garlic.
Let me see this right here.
I can eat a spoonful of garlic on its own just for the properties. So I think I'm gonna do it because it looks pretty legit.
Yeah, get a nice little dip in there. Let's see. What do you got?
Okay. Now it's spicy. Like it gives you a kick, but it's like doable. It'll definitely clear your sinuses.
Definitely clear your sinuses?
Yeah. No, but I mean, trust me, I've had some hot sauce, and
so
this is a good hot.
Well, you know what? Maybe since you like buffalo, give the buffalo a shot. The Bustin' Betty's buffalo wing sauce. Now,
See if it's busting.
let's see if it's busting.
Just gonna kind of like this.
Yeah, just throw it on there.
Kind of like it.
Well, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Get on there. Don't be scared. Get there. Look at that.
That one is on point. Okay, I think that one's my favorite one. That can go on eggs. That can go on chicken. I think I'm gonna put some of this on my eggs. Actually, this is really good, babe.
Really good?
Use that one. Put that one in the fridge. Carolina Gold barbecue sauce. It's gold barbecue sauce, and I'm from Texas, and I have never seen gold barbecue sauce. So,
Babes, because you haven't left Texas.
I am really curious.
You hadn't left Texas until you met me. I've seen back home, Massachusetts. I've run across this for sure. The gold flavor. I always liked it. For me,
okay, that one's really sweet.
should be.
It's really good. It's really good. I almost feel like a honey taste, like really honeyish, but no, it's really good. It's like luxury lips, I guess, because it's like lip smacking, because it makes you like.
What I gotta have you do, babies, you gotta try the chicken by itself.
I was gonna say, what did you put on the chicken?
Just that.
I like dry rubs. That's really my thing. I love dry rubs because I like it crispy. This dry rub is really good because I was like, what is on these wings? It's super good. I was gonna say, Chris Sanders, yeah, I think he knows what's up because, yeah, I'm digging it's the all-purpose seasoning. It's really good.
Now, is Chris Sanders supposed to be like Colonel Sanders? It's just the new Colonel Sanders. Chris Sanders is the new Colonel Sanders. Bye, Colonel.
Yeah,
Chris Sanders is in.
outdated, honey.
But it's all about the flavor. My babe says the flavor's there, but I gotta test it out too. Make sure.